Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Science Kit is probably one of the most exciting ways to ignite a child's curiosity and foster a lifelong love for discovery, offering a hands-on gateway into the wonders of the scientific world right in their own home, making complex concepts accessible and fun through engaging experiments that encourage critical thinking and problem-solving skills, ultimately empowering young minds to explore, question, and understand the universe around them in a tangible and memorable way. Number 5. National Geographic Science Magic Kit. Discover over 100 unique experiments that blend the wonders of science with the excitement of magic. You can bend metal with water, make a coin float, and so much more, with tricks you won't find anywhere else. Each experiment is designed to be performed as a magic trick. With the included magic wand and gloves, your child can truly become the star of their own show. It's magic that's both fun and educational. This kit provides all the necessary materials to conduct 20 amazing science magic tricks. Watch as snow appears in your hand, create a square bubble, or become waterproof, all by using the principles of physics and chemistry. When the magic show is over, the learning doesn't have to stop. A bonus experiment guide is included with over 85 additional experiments that can be done using common household items. Proudly developed by Blue Marble, a winner of the Toy Association's Toy of the Year award. We are committed to fostering education, imagination, and creativity, backed by a U.S. support team for a stellar experience. What we like. This kit blends science with magic, offering over 100 unique experiments and tricks. If you're looking for a way to make learning science feel like a performance, this is it. It's perfect for kids who love to entertain and impress. What people say. The kit includes a variety of experiments that are engaging and educational. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making it suitable for young children. My child loved the hands-on activities and learned a lot about science concepts. Number 4. National Geographic Chemistry Set. Get ready for hours of fun exploring exciting chemical reactions. It's just like being a real scientist in a lab. Build and erupt a volcano, create a geyser, and launch a rocket. You can perform 45 awesome chemical reactions with this kit. Each experiment is easy to do with kid-friendly instructions and illustrations. Learn fascinating facts about the reactions you create. Discover the scientific process and fundamental chemistry concepts. This kit is a great way to get started with STEM. We provide high-quality educational toys for endless discovery. Your satisfaction is our priority, so let us know if you need anything. What we like. Explore the exciting world of chemistry with 45 hands-on experiments, including volcano eruptions and rocket launches. If your child is fascinated by chemical reactions and wants to feel like a real scientist in a lab, this is the ideal choice. It's designed for budding chemists. What people say. The kit includes a variety of experiments that are engaging and educational. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making it suitable for young children. My child loved the hands-on activities and learned a lot about science concepts. Number 3. UNGLINGA 70 Lab Experiment Science Kit. Ignite your child's curiosity with a science kit that offers endless hours of exploration. It's perfect for sharing and encourages critical thinking and problem-solving, just like a real scientist. Discover the thrill of building and erupting a volcano, growing crystals, creating fruit circuits, and witnessing amazing chemical reactions. Each activity is designed for maximum fun and ease of execution. Our easy-to-follow manual features clear illustrations and fascinating insights into the science behind each experiment. It helps children develop a lasting appreciation for various scientific concepts. This kit teaches the scientific process and fundamental chemistry concepts in a safe and engaging way. It fosters a healthy understanding of basic scientific principles through hands-on experience. We provide high-quality educational toys that are both fun and safe for children. All included ingredients are child-friendly, ensuring a worry-free learning experience. Looking for a unique birthday gift? This versatile science kit offers a fantastic STEM activity that boys and girls will love to explore and share. What we like. This comprehensive kit features 70 diverse experiments, from crystal growing to fruit circuits, encouraging critical thinking. If you want a kit that offers a wide variety of scientific exploration and problem-solving opportunities, this is a great pick. It's suitable for children who enjoy a broad range of STEM challenges. What people say. The kit includes a variety of experiments that are engaging and educational. My child loved the hands-on activities and learned a lot about science concepts. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, making the experiment successful. Number 2. UNGLINGA 50+ Science Lab Experiments Kit. Get ready for endless fun with over 50 exciting science experiments. This kit brings the magic of Earth, chemistry, and more right into your home, using everyday items. Encourage critical thinking and problem-solving skills with this engaging STEM kit. It's designed to sharpen your science and math abilities through exciting, hands-on activities. Build a volcano, create colorful reactions, and even grow your own gemstones. You can also experiment with changing flower colors and making rainbow rain. Our easy-to-follow guide manual explains the science behind each experiment. Develop a lasting appreciation for various scientific concepts as you learn and play. This high-quality educational toy provides hours of entertainment. It's perfect for sharing with family and friends, making you feel like a real scientist in a lab. What we like. With over 50 experiments covering earth science, chemistry, and magic, this kit encourages creativity using common household items. If you appreciate a kit that promotes innovation and allows for custom experiments alongside guided ones, this is a fantastic option. It's great for curious minds who like to experiment freely. What people say. The kit includes a variety of experiments that are engaging and educational. My child was able to follow the instructions easily and complete the experiments independently. The materials provided are high quality and durable, making the kit a great value for the price. Number 1. BeAndge STEM Kits for Kids. Discover the BeAndge STEM Kits, a fantastic way to spark your child's imagination. These kits offer a variety of exciting projects for endless hours of fun and learning. With 6 different science experiments included, your child can build a robot, a balance car, a bubble machine, and more. They'll be so proud of what they create. Turn science experiments into quality family time. Work alongside your children, guiding them as they build, fostering a stronger bond and creating precious memories together. Looking for a unique gift? These DIY robotics kits are ideal for aspiring inventors aged 8 to 12. They're perfect for science fairs and make a memorable birthday or holiday present. Watch your child's curiosity grow as they learn by playing. These electric robots stimulate an interest in physics and the fun of creating circuits all on their own. Designed with safety and ease in mind, all components are made from odorless, safe materials. With a mini screwdriver and clear instructions, assembly is a breeze. What we like. This kit offers 6 different STEM projects, including building robots, a balance car, and a bubble machine. If your child is passionate about robotics and engineering, and you're looking for a hands-on way to stimulate their interest in circuits and physics, this is the perfect gift. It's ideal for aspiring young engineers. What people say. This science kit is fantastic for young learners, offering a variety of engaging experiments that make learning fun and interactive. The kit includes all the necessary materials and clear, step-by-step instructions, making it easy for kids to conduct experiments independently. My child was absolutely thrilled with this kit, spending hours exploring different scientific concepts and discovering new things. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.